Science, sports, and cinema.
Galaxy Bud Live are unlike anything which we have seen till now, right? From the design of the bean shape to the box with which flips open with a single hand very easily, but at the same time it is very tight so that it won't open without our permission, right? To the shape of these things which exactly look like beans, which we have already seen. And the best thing about these things is you don't have to bring them open at the same simultaneously to connect. You can take single one and put it in your ear, and bang, you can go and listen to the music. And if you want a stereo effect or both sides, you can put this one just like this. You can forget and close the box, and you are ready to go. For those who have been looking at or who have been watching our videos for the last couple of months might have observed these things in the ears of the video makers and video producers. Right from the mathematics classes by our Venkat sir, or our reviews with both Sarath Chandra or Bharat Krishna or even myself have been wearing these devices. So the sound quality and the recording of the audio is very terrific, as you might have observed. External sounds may be heard when we are apart from our own voices, just like the sounds of the birds or the uh, trains and other vehicles that are going on the road. But the noise sound, there is no wind sound and nothing like that. External noises are completely cancelled out with this active noise cancellation. So this is another best thing about this device. And apart from this, the recording voice is very clear, as you might have observed. It is a little bit slow, and sometimes you might observe lip syncing issues, but these are common with all Bluetooth devices. But still, it is that we have been able to record most of majority of our videos for the last couple of months using these buds testifies that these are very good instruments right from the listening to music to watching video to playing games to and even recording videos for YouTube with higher quality. So let's see how it connects with an Android device. You can bring single one and single one or both of them simultaneously. All you have to do is then click the Bluetooth button. It should connect immediately within a few seconds. If not, you can manually set it off. Go to the settings and click here. It will connect and it will show the battery level directly here. So to disconnect, you can either turn off the Bluetooth manually or put this one here but still connects, and put this one here and still connects, and close the door, it shut off. Samsung Galaxy Buds Live, which we have already seen, are very interesting things. They are shockingly designed, very ergonomic. You may like it or not, don't like it. The bean shaped things are here to stay because they are the best creation in this line of musical devices. Let's see how easily they click with the other things and connect with the devices. Let's see with this iPad. You just have to click on it and connect. It connects very easily. All you have to do is just click on the Bluetooth icon and it will disconnect. You can even connect with the single bud. You don't have to carry both the buds at the same time. They are connected. I have put this in here. Still they are connected. I have put this in here. Then disconnected. Right. So coming to the call quality, Galaxy Buds Live gives very good experience. The active noise cancellation is very good. That means it is not top quality or complete active noise cancellation because these are open type of earbuds. But the active noise cancellation is good, comparatively good. We can listen to the sounds from the outside in a lower notes, and there is also a mode where you can just touch here for a second or two. Then the active noise cancellation mode will be turned off so that you can listen to the sounds from the outside completely, ambient noises, that is ambient noises or ambient sounds completely. and once you touch the same place, you can get back into the active noise cancellation mode. That is very good effect. And with the click of these things, touching this here in the top portion or right, even in the right side, you can turn the volume off or pause the videos or pause the audios and everything just like that, and you can even answer the calls. All the touch gestures work fine, very fine. So coming to the audio quality is very fine in this thing. The sounds which we have observed as of the now, we have tested so many devices and even come up with our video reviews. So among all the devices, these are the best sounding devices among the things we have tested. So even when compared to AirPods, which are similarly priced at 14,000 to 15,000 range, without the wireless charging case which is provided by the Apple. Uh, these things are the better things. They are better sounding devices and they have a good active noise cancellation, comparatively good active noise cancellation. And the best thing is that they won't fall out of your ears. See here, my spec may fall down. My spec may fall down, which are very light in size, but these buds won't fall down. I can even lie on my side, but the earbuds won't fall out of my ears, and even this side. So once again, see, whatever it is, you can do anything, but these earbuds won't fall out of ears. But at the same time, they won't go completely into your ear holes and cause disturbance. That's why these earbuds don't cause any pain in your ear, even if you use them for more than 3 to 4 hours. I used to wake up at 4 o'clock and start with the meeting with my friends, which we have to do for the review of the day, because we have been from several countries. From the 4 o'clock to up to 9:30, even till 9:30, I used to listen to music or work in various going through the various conferences like Zoom meetings and Google Meet meetings or even phone calls for these 4.5 to 5 hours. Still, I have not experienced any pain in my ears. These are extremely comfortable to wear. You can even lie down on side and listen to the music without removing the earbuds or even with a single earbud, but the sound is very good. Coming to the sound and audio quality, the bass is good, sufficiently good, but it's not at the top, or you don't get a complete thudding type of bass extreme in the top level, but the bass is good. And coming to the mid-tones are extremely good, and even the higher sounds, the pitch is very good. You won't hear sounds like any screeching sounds or other things. So, audio listening experience on the device is very good. But one thing which we have observed is that sometimes the sounds look very higher even with the volume it's set at 50% to 60%, and sometimes you have to raise the volume to 90% to get clear picture of the sound. That means the volume is going up and down sometimes. That's not because of the devices which we have connected, but that may be a problem with the mode of sound signature they have given. So that means they might have been adjusting or tuning to our ears also, or our listening habits. That might be the reason, because the sound is very crystal clear. There is no problem, but the audio levels may go down and up, so that we won't feel any discomfort in our ears, or and your eardrum won't face any problem. And now, coming to the phone calls, these are the best things which we have tested till now. The phone calls are crystal clear. We can listen to their voices from the other parties very well, and our voice is very clear to the other parties, even with the disturbance. And I use it to take all the majority of my office calls and meeting calls through this using Zoom or even the carrier things like from my Airtel SIM card. But nobody has complained about the noises in the behind. Even when the fan is working, running completely, the sound which go through the earpiece is very less. So there are not many disturbances. When using other earphones or even the wired ones or other things which we have tested and posted videos in our channel, those things at the time people used to complain that there is some disturbance or sound of the fans or sound of the other people. But when it comes to these things, the noises are completely cut off. That means the active noise cancellation is very good on these things. The Bluetooth range is very good. It is 10 meters spot on. So there is no issues with that. The range is also very good, and I can listen to the songs, and I can even participate in the meetings and everything right from the without having to carry my phone. I can put it in my bedroom and go to the even to the steps and the stairs. I can listen to the sounds from the other side, and the other side can also listen to my voice without any issue. That means the 10-meter range is complete, but even I have observed that it sometimes it used to go up to 12 meters also. There is not much of an issue except for the little bit of disturbance and connectivity and disconnected issue. That means until 10 meters range, that are the 30 feet distance, the Bluetooth range has been working. Bluetooth has been working very fine. The low Bluetooth 5 LG. This is these are the things with Bluetooth. So phone calls on the Bluetooth range is everything is very fine. When coming to the traveling time, that means when you are going on bikes, or when you are traveling in bus or in the car, even in the higher traffic, you can listen to the music without any disturbances. Even taking phone calls and sending voice messages and everything works very fine with minimal disturbance or minimal noise creeping in. But otherwise, listening to music on on the go when you are traveling on the bikes and everything is fine. You have to remember is that there is not completely or a proper water resistance or sweat resistance. It has IPX2 or IP52 rating. So there is no issue with dust and other things, but the problem, there is a little bit of problem. They are not completely sweat proof. You have to keep them clean of sweat and water. A light sprinkle of rain or a light sprinkle of liquids may be fine as long as you have been clearing them, but you have to completely wipe even a single bit of single drop of water and even a single molecule of water from them before you are putting them back in their place. Otherwise, the connectors will get corroded. That will be a big issue. So you have to treat them just like that. They don't have any type of water resistance or elementary proofing from any elements. That you have to remember very well. Birds have fallen in yeah, in my drinking water glass, but I immediately took them out and cleaned them properly and wiped out every little bit of liquid. I have not faced any issues. They have been working very fine. You have been seeing to the all the majority of our videos, and most of them are short. Short audio is shot using this pair of buds, but nothing has happened. But those accidental things and quick response is very fine. But you should not think that these have waterproof or sweat proof. You better be careful with this. You should not keep them near any liquids. In conclusion, Galaxy Buds Live are the most revolutionary things which you have tested and we have been using. They are like unlike anything which you have seen also. Unlike anything which you have seen. Samsung has come up with the gem of a device, gem of a gadget. We hope that they will come up with next versions. Even with the first version, they have come up with a proper product. They are very comfortable. If you have bigger ears, you can go with the tips. You can go with the tips. I have been using the tips. They supply a couple of tips for you. They supply a couple of tips for you. And for smaller ears, you can remove the tips also. So whatever it is, these are the best things which you have tested. Because we have not tested not too many type of devices, but among the things which we have tested, judging. And for 2 long months, we have been enjoying the sound quality of this device, these buds. That the fact that we have been shooting all our videos using these Galaxy Buds Live is a testament that how good quality earbuds these are, and how good the sound quality is, and how much we have been enjoying using them. So we recommend them highly. If you can come, if you can spend a budget of about 13,000 to 15,000 range, except for higher priced Sony or Bose or AirPods Pro, at this price range, that means below 15,000 or around 15,000, you cannot beat these gadgets. Galaxy Buds Live, or how we call it as Galaxy Beans, these are the best earbuds you can purchase. Thumbs up, and even double thumbs up also. And to conclude, simple. So, and finally, to conclude, we have forgotten to talk about the battery life of the devices. You can get anywhere between 5.5 to 6.5 hours of battery, or sometimes even up to 8 hours of battery right from these buds. And with the case, you can get a battery of for about 24 hours. So you don't find any issue with battery life majority of the time, because I have been using these in the morning sections completely for taking phone calls, watching videos, listening to lectures, or even participating in various meetings using Zoom apps like Zoom and Google Meet. But the battery life is sufficiently good. But they are not as good as Galaxy Buds 2, the previous generation devices before these things created by Samsung. But these are very satisfactory when it comes to battery life. When it is coming to battery charging, they are also very good. They are very quick to charge in about 90 minutes to 2 hours, which we have not properly observed because we have been using them just like that without any issue of running out of battery, even after the even with the case also. It shows the red button and red light here, and we will immediately charge these things for a couple of hours or half an hour or even 10 minutes, and we will use them. So you won't run out of battery and face issues even when you are on road trips in the long weekends. So to conclude and finally, which we have to say is that the Galaxy Buds Live are the best devices in this price range, even better than the Apple's AirPods when it comes to using with the iDevices also. When it comes to Android, these are the best things to happen. Connectivity is very good and everything is very good. Sounds are good, phone calls are good, audio is good, and video recording is excellent. So to connect and use this gadget, that means the Galaxy Buds Live, you have to install Galaxy Wearable app on Android phones, and Galaxy Buds Live app, and sometimes you need to have Galaxy Watch app on iOS devices. That's all.
For more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.